Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about chloroxylenol, one of the most widely used biocides in our daily lives. Chloroxylenol, also known as para-chloromethaxylenol or PCMX for short, is the active material used in Dettol. It is an antiseptic and disinfectant which has many uses in our daily lives. First, let's talk about its physiochemical properties. As you can see from the structure, chloroxylenol is a synthetic phenol derivative, a halophenol to be specific. It has poor water solubility of only 0.03%. However, the concentration required for disinfection is 0.3 to 3.75%. So a co-solvent is usually IPA or pine oil is used in PCMX formulations. Chloroxylenol is a weak acid with a dissociation constant of 9.7, which means that we have to put it in a slightly acidic medium for the unionized form to be predominant, because it is the active form that partitions to the cell membrane and induces its biocidal effects. It has a relatively high boiling point, with a boiling point higher than phenol but lower than high boiling point tar acids. And as we know, as the boiling point increases, the bactericidal activity increases, its inactivation by organic matter increases, its water solubility decreases, and tissue toxicity decreases. Corrosivity. At ambient temperatures, a 25% solution of chloroxylenol in isopropanol is not corrosive to stainless steel or aluminum. Brass is slightly effective and so is mild steel, which makes it safe to use in hospital equipment. Factors affecting antimicrobial activity. The antimicrobial activity of chloroxylenol is minimally affected by the presence of organic matter, but it is neutralized by non-ionic surfactants. As we discussed earlier, the pH of the medium has a huge effect on PCMX's activity. Since it is a weak acid, it will be completely ionized in basic medium. A study has shown that for chloroxylenol to be effective against the Ebola virus, it needs to have a contact time of at least 5 minutes or greater for a sufficient inactivation of the virus. The effective concentration is 0.3% to 3.75%, as we discussed earlier, and it is affected by temperature changes also. Okay, now let's talk about its spectrum of activity. It is effective against gram-positive bacteria, enveloped viruses, some protozoa such as Plasmodium, and most fungi. However, it has weak activity against gram-negative bacteria, mycobacteria, and some viruses. It is not effective at all against bacterial and mold spores. Okay, mechanism of action. As a phenol antiseptic, it is believed that the hydroxyl group of the chloroxylenol molecule binds to certain proteins on the cell membrane of the bacteria and disrupts the membrane so as to allow the contents of the bacterial cell to leak out. This allows chloroxylenol to enter the bacterial cell to bind further with more proteins and enzymes to disable the cell's functioning. At particularly high concentrations of chloroxylenol, the protein and nucleic acid content of targeted bacterial cells becomes coagulated and ceases to function, leading to rapid cell death. Main applications. Because of its efficacy and safety, chloroxylenol has a lot of applications which include general antiseptic solution, skin and wound disinfections. It is also used in the making of antimicrobial soaps. It is used in combination with alcohol for instrument disinfection in hospitals, and used in low concentration as a preservative in cosmetics preparations. Chloroxylenol formulations are found in most household and hospitals. Examples on commercial products include Dettol antibacterial soap. It is a household item that is used to clean and sanitize the skin. Dettol antiseptic wound cleaning liquid, used for minor wounds, and sometimes benzalkonium chloride is added to the formulation. And finally, Dettol multi-purpose disinfectant spray, hospital grade, used to clean and disinfect surfaces. A hospital grade indicates a higher concentration. That's the end. Thank you for watching.